Contractor Foreman makes it easy for your customers to pay their invoice online. Collect payments online, in person, or over the phone. Speed and convenience make it easier for your customers to pay their invoice online, and that means money in your account even sooner. With credit card rates at 2.9% and ACH bank transfer rates at just 1%, our integration with Stripe is a winning solution. Getting paid by your clients online is a great convenience. Allowing your customers to pay smaller transactions online with a credit card saves time compared to mailing an invoice. Our payment method preferences feature allows you to set limits based on which amounts can be paid with credit card and ACH, or which payments should be ACH only. Want to allow your customers to pay their $1,000 invoice with a credit card? No problem. Want your customers to only be able to pay their $20,000 invoice with an ACH transfer? No problem. We let you offer your customers the option to break up their payments, which allows them to pay across multiple bank accounts. Paying a bill should not be a hassle. We make it convenient for your customers to pay their invoice across multiple credit cards. Maybe they want to put $2,000 on Chase, $3,000 on Bank of America, or even pay another $5,000 directly from their checking account. They can do that. Do you use QuickBooks for your accounting? When a payment is posted online, it is associated with the invoice and syncs over to QuickBooks. No more double entry or payment delays. And with our in-person payments feature, you can get paid now. Use Contractor Foreman to collect the payment for the work you just completed. The customer gives you their credit card number over the phone, and you just enter the payment details directly into Contractor Foreman. No longer do you need to go back to the office to finalize an invoice and send the payment link. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for your customers to pay their invoice online.